Hello, tech enthusiasts and gadget geeks. Mobile World Congress 2025 has come and gone, leaving a trail of dazzling displays and mind-boggling innovations in its wake. From foldable phones to drone-launching SUVs, this year's event was a testament to the boundless creativity of the tech industry. Join me, your humble guide to the world of tomorrow, as we delve into the wacky, the wild, and the downright wonderful gadgets unveiled at this year's show. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a whirlwind tour of the most outlandish and exciting tech concepts that have set the rumor mill ablaze. Get ready to have your mind blown, your imagination ignited, and your funny bone tickled. Let's dive in. Lenovo, the renowned tech giant, never fails to impress with its innovative spirit, and this year was no exception. Hold on to your hats, folks, because things are about to get foldable. First up, we have the ThinkBook Flip, a laptop so tall it could double as a skyscraper blueprint. But here's the kicker, it folds in half, backward. Imagine the possibilities, presentations that pop, multitasking taken to a whole new level, and the sheer joy of watching heads turn as you unfold this behemoth in a crowded coffee shop. But wait, there's more. Lenovo also unveiled a concept for attachable displays that magnetically snap onto your laptop, giving you the ultimate multi-screen setup. Need even more screen real estate? No problem, just slap on another display. And for the eco-conscious techie on the go, Lenovo presented a yoga laptop with a built-in solar panel. That's right, soak up the sun and power your productivity at the same time. It's like photosynthesis for your laptop. Next up, let's talk about Infinix and their shape-shifting marvel, the Zero Series Mini Trifold phone. This phone is not content with just one or two forms, it's a veritable transformer in your pocket. In its standard form, it's a sleek and stylish smartphone. But wait, there's more. Fold it once and it transforms into a more compact, pocket-friendly device. Fold it again and it shrinks down to a size so small it could rival a GoPro. Talk about versatility, but Infinix didn't stop there. They've also equipped this chameleon-like phone with a charging case that doubles as a spotlight. That's right, never fumble around for your keys in the dark again. And for the ultimate in personalization, the back of the phone changes color to mimic your facial expressions. Feeling happy? Your phone will glow with joy. Feeling stressed? Your phone will reflect your mood with a calming shade of blue. It's like having a tiny, emotional chameleon in your pocket. Section 4, Xiaomi's camera and audio adventure. No tech showcase would be complete without Xiaomi making a splash, and this year, they brought their A-game to the camera and audio arena. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is not just a phone, it's a professional-grade camera disguised as a pocket-sized communication device. With its modular lens system, you can swap out lenses faster than you can say cheese. Want to capture stunning wide-angle shots? There's a lens for that. Need to zoom in on the action from miles away? There's a lens for that too. It's like having a camera bag in your pocket, but without the back pain. And for the audiophiles out there, Xiaomi unveiled the Buds 5 Pro. Earbuds so advanced, they make Mozart sound like a beginner. These tiny wonders are packed with Qualcomm's latest S7 Pro chip, which means they support lossless audio over Wi-Fi. That's right, CD quality sound without the need for cumbersome wires. Prepare to have your mind blown by the clarity and richness of your favorite tunes. Section 5, Samsung's Asymmetrical Assault. Samsung, never one to shy away from a challenge, decided to shake things up in the gaming world with the Samsung Flex gaming handheld. This is not your average run-of-the-mill gaming device. Oh no, this handheld is as unique as it is powerful, boasting an asymmetrical design that resembles a folded Galaxy Z. It's like Samsung took all the conventions of gaming handheld design, threw them out the window and said, let's get weird. And you know what? It works. The Flex gaming handheld is a joy to hold, with its ergonomic design and responsive controls. Plus, it turns heads wherever you go, which is always a bonus in the world of gaming. Section 6, BYD Takes to the skies. Hold on to your hats, folks, because things are about to get really wild. BYD, the Chinese multinational conglomerate, decided to take the concept of a utility vehicle to a whole new level with their drone-launching SUV. That's right, you heard me correctly. This SUV isn't just about getting you from point A to point B, it's about launching a fleet of drones from its roof. Imagine the possibilities. Aerial photography, package delivery, or even just freaking out your neighbors with a swarm of buzzing drones. The future of transportation is here, and it's looking skyward. Section 7, quick hits from the techverse. And now, for a rapid-fire round of other noteworthy tech tidbits from the show, Qualcomm unveiled its next-generation Snapdragon X Series SoC, promising up to 18 CPU cores, 48 gigabytes of integrated RAM, and support for discrete graphics cards. Get ready for smartphones so powerful they could rival your gaming PC. TSMC announced a whopping $100 billion investment in manufacturing facilities in Arizona, signaling a major boost for the semiconductor industry. Chips, and more chips. YouTube is planning to integrate subscription streaming services like Paramount Plus and Max into its TV app, creating a one-stop shop for all your entertainment needs. Get ready to kiss cable goodbye. Firefly Aerospace, a private space exploration company, made history by landing a spacecraft on the moon and capturing a breathtaking photo of the lunar sunrise. Space exploration is no longer just for governments. So there you have it, folks, a glimpse into the wild and wacky world of Mobile World Congress 2025. From foldable phones to drone-launching SUVs, this year's event was a testament to the boundless creativity of the tech industry. Who knows what wonders await us in the years to come? Until then, keep your eyes peeled, your minds open, and your sense of humor intact.